It seems the ongoing seagull saga has returned to haunt me. I've got all these up here now. They're babies from somewhere. Seem to think it's quite nice to be on my roof, but not really, it's not. I seem to have some at the back there, and there's one up here somewhere. Yeah, there he is. And maybe it's just a family outing. That's what I'm hoping. My matey seagull isn't around to see them off, but I can see that they are just fledglings, just youngsters growing up a little bit. Hopefully they'll scarper sometime soon. I don't know, just when I thought I'd conquered the seagull problem,